dumpster rental service in Mesa, Arizona. Are you managing a home renovation, a big cleanout, or a construction project in Mesa, Arizona? For Freedom Construction is your go-to solution for reliable and affordable dumpster rental services. We're here to make waste disposal effortless so you can focus on what matters most, your project. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit projects of all kinds, from small home cleanups to large commercial jobs. Not sure which size fits your needs? Our knowledgeable team is ready to guide you every step of the way. At For Freedom Construction, we pride ourselves on timely delivery and flexible pickup schedules. No waiting around, just efficient, hassle-free service tailored to you. Our team is dedicated to keeping Mesa clean and sustainable. We follow responsible waste disposal practices to ensure your debris is handled with care, minimizing environmental impact. Best of all, our straightforward pricing means no hidden fees, giving you peace of mind as you budget your project. Experience the freedom of a stress-free project with For Freedom Construction. Call us today at 602-975-3747 to schedule your dumpster rental. Reliable service, affordable rates, and complete convenience, we're here to help you get the job done right.